Alright guys, let's go ahead and try a couple problems from yesterday's homework. I'll walk you through them. So first of all, let's start out with number 3 from yesterday's handout. Now you would go ahead and use your foldable and find the 45, 45, 90 triangle and with a given leg, right? Let's try this out. So of course you're going to write hypotenuse equals leg times root 2. And we have x equals root 6 over 2 times root 2 over 1. Okay. Now the thing is that we're going to glom these guys together, but rather than multiplying, you know what? It's actually better if you factor this. So let's make that a 3 times 2 under that radical. The 6 becomes a 3 times 2, and then we multiply it by 2 because remember they're both under the radical. They have the same index, they're both a square root. And you'll notice that, also the denominator is 2 times 1, which is 2. This pair of 2's will be able to come out of the radical. So you have 2 root 3 over 2. And then we go ahead and cancel the 2's, and we end up with x is equal to root 3. I forgot to mention, but y is also square root of 6 over 2. So I didn't write that here, but you should write that down as well as part of your answer. Okay? Alright, let's do the next one. Once again, hypotenuse equals leg times root 2. You could use your foldable, and you'll notice it's a 45, 45, 90 given hypotenuse. Okay? So we say 8 equals u times root 2. And once we find u, you guys know that this should be congruent to v. 45, 45, 90 is isosceles. Alright, divide by root 2 on both sides, but you cannot have a radical in the denominator. The nice thing over here is that these will cancel out, but we need to rationalize the denominator by multiplying this side by root 2 over root 2. And that's what we're going to do. Go ahead and multiply these out, and you guys know that root 2 times root 2 is 2. We end up with 8 root 2 over 2 equals u. Kind of sounds like a rhyme, huh? Anyway, go ahead and reduce this, and we end up with 4 root 2 for u, and the same thing for v. So there you have it. Remember, this one we should write also that y equals root 6 over 2. Alright?